This is a rich time of transformation, peeling back the layers, letting the old crack open, crumble away, and letting the old die and fall away so we can be reborn, transformed, so we can rise up in consciousness to attune our perception to a higher dimensional level of reality of what's available to us here, to transcend old limitations and old patterns, to reveal the next chapter, the next stage of our awakening, of our remembrance, of our blossoming, to receive our gifts, our wisdom, opening the book of soul wisdom within our DNA, to receive, to embody the frequency that we came here to embody, to claim our role and power as pillars of light around the globe, anchoring this new consciousness, this new paradigm frequency, one heart, one moment, one step at a time.